going on, family? We back at it again with another day. Y'all see, our boy got the haircut. You know what I'm saying? The beard cut. That tie shit. You feel me? Bulk season almost here, y'all. I'm debating if I want to do it. I want to start it in September or I want to start it in October. I don't know. I might just start it in September. Just get into growth, bro. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to get bigger. Okay? And I'm trying to put on as much lean mass as possible. But yeah, I ain't like that's really my goal for real. I don't really care as of now. So it's like let's just jump into it. And then we got so much knowledge that we learned over this last cut that we're gonna do it totally different from the last two box fit we have ever done. But that's neither here nor there. Today we got back. Gonna go slap crazy with back. No benching today. We been going crazy for Monday and Tuesday, those two mini lifts. So yeah, we just gonna get into some back and then go slap crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and because I gotta pee. So I'm gonna see y'all in there. Let's get it. Telling me get on my suit, please. Fuck. That's it for today, guys. Oh, man. Whew. Well, we came in this bitch to work today, boy. But yeah, that's it for today. Next week, we starting over the block for both squat and bench. It's gonna be tough next week, I ain't gonna lie to you. That 5x5 gonna kill me with this new working training set. But I'm gonna see you guys Friday. And Saturday, we just gonna get some work in. Ain't gonna be in here too long, in and out. Cause since we ain't got no squat. And also on Saturday, probably be a long one because my arms and everything put together. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Yeah, I'm 500 subscribers, man. Keep showing love, and I'll keep dropping the content, man. If y'all ever want to see something different, just let me know. Just let me know, because I don't be having really too many ideas. So if you guys got any ideas, just give them to me, and I got you. I'll try my best to do it.
But appreciate y'all for watching. See you guys Friday. We gone.